How to find saved reels on Facebook. So now go ahead and launch the Facebook application. So in your Facebook feed, you will find the three horizontal lines or the menu icon located on the top right corner. So in this menu page, you will find shortcuts. So under shortcuts, you will see the Reels option. Tap this option and then tap your profile icon, which is located on the upper right corner of your screen, which will direct you to your profile page. So in your profile page, you will see two tabs. The first tab is for posts and the second tab is for Reels. Make sure to select the Reels tab. So under the Reels tab, you will find saved and liked buttons. Tap on the saved button. That will direct you to the saved page. So in this page, you are provided with three categories. So the first category is saved reels, next to it is the saved audio, and the last category is for the saved effects. So since we are looking for saved reels, make sure to select the saved reels tab. And so this is where you locate your saved reels. So take note that your saved reels, audio, and effects are only visible to you. And so that is how you find saved reels on Facebook. Thank you and have a great day.